Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get payment receipt from Monzo application. For that, you need to simply launch your Monzo app and then you need to provide your login credentials like your email address, mobile number and your password, and you need to log in into your account first. Now, once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you will see the account and overdraft option. So you need to simply click on that, and then on that page, you need to select the option of account statement in order to check your statement history. After clicking on that, you can simply download your statement and you will see the receipt column there. So you can find that and you can use in whichever manner you want to use it. Now, still with the help of this method, if you are not able to get your payment receipt from the Monzo application, you can simply come on your web browser and search for this query. Like this person has searched for, and in response to it, the community member said that you can either view a statement within the application, the method of which I have showed you previously, and you can also find your transaction reference number, which is called the TRN number, which can be used by the receiving bank to actually trace the payment. So you can use any of these two methods in order to get your payment receipt from Monzo. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.